All right, question 47 states that a 25 kilogram box of textbooks rests on a loaded ramp that makes an angle alpha with the horizontal. The coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.25 and the coefficient of static friction is 0.35. Question A states that as the angle alpha is increased, find the minimum angle at which the box starts to slip. So we'll do part A first before we move on. Part A, what is alpha such that our weight essentially exceeds our coefficient of static friction. That's what the scenario we're looking at. If I first label my axes such that x lies in the direction of the plane, we'll make our calculations a little bit easier. So by taking a free body diagram, or making a free body diagram, I should say, of our box, the weight, of course, points straight downward.